Nevada's Attorney General is proposing more protections for minors online. It's a local version of the Youth Online Safety Act that's pushing nationally in other states. 8 News Now reporter Mary Jane Biesa explains the bill.
Now more than ever, kids are chronically online. Mallory Baker is a mom of 3, with 2 of them ages 13 and 16. She already has some ground rules for her kids when it comes to surfing the internet.
So they had to actually know them in person or be some sort of a family member in order to have their friendship. And we do monitor their messages too.
She says it's not enough.
You have to be very vigilant and just make sure that your kids are actually speaking to who they're talking to a lot of the times.
In this year's Nevada's legislative session, Senate Bill 63 would require social media companies to verify users' age, limit content for kids under 13, and may even require the parents' consent to use the app.
People they thought that they were their friends because they had made them online, and turned out not to be, even kids. So age verification would be nice.
These safety features do come with security concerns, such as using personal information to use the app. But how personal is too personal? Lawmakers will need to work out the details, such as possibly requiring facial recognition and driver's licenses.
Medical experts like Dr. Raj Singh says these first step measures are at least a start, as he's seen a rise in anxiety and depression in kids associated with increased social media use.
It's very obvious we are seeing a lot of mental health issues, right? So there's more loneliness, more boredom. There is a lot of cyberbullying happening.
While social media use has hit an all-time high, Dr. Singh says lawmakers to the parents have a hand in safety protocols when it comes to internet access.
I'm not saying that social media is all bad, but how we consume it is more important than the entire social media. But I think we should definitely restrict the use for younger population.
So other states like Utah and Florida do have some similar bills that recently went into effect regarding online protections for minors. A bill on the federal level has been held up by free speech and First Amendment concerns.